We'll go to the other side then. Look at that sweet old van. So we have finally made it to a neighborhood down on Chesapeake Bay that I've never been to, that I've been wanting to. And I figured, why not use the first ride of the year for us to come explore and see what we can find. The first spot that I wanted to go to had a lot of signs saying no public access, so we decided not to go back there. We are going to try to go around the other side of this little cove and see what we can find. Probably wanted to go that way. So this is a sweet little marina area. Completely forgot to tell you guys that we are in St. Leonard. This is the first time I've actually explored around here rather than just drive through. Sweet, I'm psyched. This was worth it. Do you want to head back up since it's getting dark?
Yeah.
Alright, so finally made it to a nice water spot destination. Like I said, never been down here to explore before, but it is very worth it. Luckily we had Mike to join us today. We are running out of daylight, so we are going to head back home. We are quite a bit away. It has been a very peaceful ride, just kind of going with the flow, not knowing exactly where we were going to go, but luckily we found this nice, beautiful place. Tons of private property and no parking signs, but luckily we just should not be standing on the rocks here. But thank you guys for checking out this video. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. You need to have a thumbs up. Everyone do it. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next. This has to be the funnest neighborhood roads I've ever ridden.